figured if I wanted to stay in business, I needed a good smile. My front teeth were broken, I was gluing them in. So I actually interviewed 6 different dentists before I even came here. And you were the last one on my list, and the first one there that I felt comfortable with.
When Gary came to our practice, he shows up with so much energy, so much fun, and we quickly became very friendly.
Everybody smiled here, which I liked, you know, because nobody really likes to walk into a dentist's office. They have that fear behind them there a little bit there, you know, is it gonna hurt, you know, and I felt comfortable that very first day I was in here. You guys talked to me like you knew me forever, you know. That's a big thing. It's a big thing that you feel comfortable, you know. And I've never felt that comfortable in a dentist chair, you know, never, you know. And I think it was the family atmosphere there that brought me, because I always talk about my family, you know.
He's a very family-oriented person who looks after everybody within his family before himself. And he recognizes that our practice values the same principles.
I don't give A+s to anybody, but I felt like I got an A+ service here, okay? I think I probably had the best doctor I could have ever had there to do my implants. And I know my mouth was not an easy mouth, you know? Nothing had worked in my mouth, okay? I was told there that I had a bite like a pit bull, okay? And that I had an extremely hard bite, you know, a lot of pressure. I didn't think really whatever was going to happen to me there, I didn't think it was going to really last. But this was my last shot right there. It was the best choice I could make. You know, like I said there, I mean, I have all the confidence in the world when I go out there to sign a job or to give an estimate or go into a restaurant and eat and not worry about that something might fall out of my mouth, you know. So that's all big stuff. And I'll tell you, you need that confidence here to succeed in this world.